Hey there, this is tech lifestyle expert Carly Novak. This is a very busy time of year for families, but I've got some tech that can help. We all know how laundry can pile up this time of year, right? Well, LG is making laundry day a total breeze. Their smart front load washer with Turbo Wash 360 has built-in artificial intelligence, which means it can detect fabric types, load size, and even how dirty your clothes are and adjust your wash settings. It gets smarter the more that you use it. Their smart front load dryer with AI sensor dry can detect the fabric type and load size to dry your clothes perfectly every time. And their Pedestal is an optional accessory that's actually a mini washing machine for quick loads. All very smart technology. To find out more about LG's smart front load washer with Turbo Wash 360 and their smart front load dryer with AI sensor dry, just head to lg.com. And to find everything I covered today, including links, just visit inthenews.tv or find us on Instagram at inthenewstv.